Today we're going to be learning about systems of inequalities. You're going to be able to solve systems of linear equalities by graphing. So first of all, let's do our warm-up. So I want you to pause the video, graph each of these inequalities. Don't forget to pay attention to boundaries and shading, and then restart the video and check your answer. Okay, so this one, because our y-intercept is 5, we go up 5, and our slope is up 2 over 1, or down 2 left 1. It's greater than, so we're going to shade on this portion. This one we have to solve for y. So if we subtract 9x and divide every term by 3, y is going to be greater than or equal to negative 3x minus 2. So we start at a negative 2, and our slope is down 3 over 1. So shading. Our key concepts today. You can solve a system of linear inequalities by graphing. There are several steps. First of all, you need to graph boundary lines and decide whether the boundary lines are included. So if it's just a greater than or less than, you're going to use a dashed line. Or equal to, use a solid line. The solutions are any point where the shaded regions overlap. So let's look at this inequality. It's already solved for y. So let's start by graphing where y is equal to 3. And then we're going to graph where y is equal to 2x plus 1. So 1 and then up 2 over 1. Notice the boundary lines are not included yet. This one's going to stay solid. This one's going to become dashed. Notice. Then we shade greater than on both of them. The solution to a system of inequalities is where the shading overlaps. So it's this section where this pink and this blue overlap. Let's look at another one. Okay, there's something we're going to need to do here to begin with. Let's solve for y. So when we solve for y, we're going to have y is less than x minus 1, and y is less than negative x plus 3. So negative 1, and then the slope is up 1 over 1, and then a positive 3, and it's down 1, right 1. The boundary lines are not included yet. Notice both of these need to be dashed, and we shade less than on both of them. This area is where they both intersect. So that is the solution to a system of inequalities. Very well done. You're ready to begin working on the lesson.